Guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Promise AK, and on this channel we talk about data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence and other technological advancement. If you're interested in this, make sure you click on the subscribe button and on the notification bell so you'll be alerted whenever I post any new video. I drop videos from time to time about data science, machine learning, Python programming, different videos surrounding technology. So if you want to keep updated, just click on that notification bell so you always be notified whenever I post a video. Today I'll be introducing you to Numpy. Numpy is a powerful Python package for data analysis, scientific and numeric computing in Python. The name Numpy stands for numeric Python. It is designed for handling large multi-dimensional array of matrices alongside with other mathematical operations, those complex mathematical calculations you want to do. Numpy is your go-to man and it helps you carry out these things efficiently. Numpy users includes everybody from beginners to experienced coders. So whether you are a beginner or you're just starting out, you would use Numpy. Numpy is one of those Python library that as long as you program, you continually use, so it's very efficient and you need to know about it. Numpy can be used to carry out varied mathematical operations, those complex mathematical operations. Numpy is your go-to man. Numpy API is widely used in other Python libraries or packages like pandas. We'll talk about them in the next session. We'll talk about matplotlib, scipy, scikit-learn. So most of those other packages in Python use Numpy API for their own packages. Numpy is an essential tool for data analysis, machine learning and scientific computation due to its efficiency, versatility and the ease of use. So Numpy is very easy to use. Once you know the grasp of the basics, you easily flow with Numpy. And Numpy works with data structure called ND array. ND means n-dimensional array. So either you're working with arrays of 1 dimension, 2 dimension, 3 dimension, 4 dimension, as the case may be, Numpy can handle those arrays. For numeric operation, Numpy offers several advantages over the standard Python list. It is faster, more memory efficient, and provides convenient and easy functions to carry out complex mathematical operations on entire array, and it is preferred by data scientists, engineers or researchers. Some of the topics I'll be covering under Numpy would be installing and importing Numpy, creating Numpy from lists from your Python list, and using functions or methods like np.zeros, np.ones, np.arrange, np.range, np.sit. There are lots of them, so just stay back and you get to learn all these. Also, I'll show you how to carry out element-wise operations like your addition, subtraction, multiplication, and all those complex mathematics using Numpy. We'll also be doing slicing and indexing with Numpy, and I'll also show you how to check for your dimensions. So if you are working with an array, you want to know your dimension, we'll see how to check for your dimension and also how to change dimensions using Numpy. So for example, you're working with a 2-dimensional array, show you how you can change it from maybe a 2-dimension to 3-dimension or 4-dimension to a 2-dimension, as the case may be. First of all, you want to install your package. You want to install Numpy. If you followed my installation video, which I will link somewhere up there, if you followed that installation using Anaconda, you don't need to install Numpy in your computer again, because once you download Anaconda, it comes as a package. But however, if you install through other means and you don't have Numpy installed in your computer, you may want to install it. So you can use the command pip install Numpy, or conda, use conda install Numpy. When you open your Python script or your Jupyter notebook to access Numpy and its function, you need to import Numpy. So get the difference. Installation is different from importing. You install just once, but import whenever you want to work with a Python script or a Jupyter notebook or your notebook, you will need to import Numpy every time. So to import NumPy, you just type this code, import NumPy as NP. I know some people want to ask me, so why are we installing as NumPy as why are we installing our NumPy as NP? This is because this is like the convention. It's easier for you to understand and for people reading your code, because that's, like I said, that's the widely accepted or adopted convention. So if somebody picks up your code, you can easily see NumPy. When you see NP, you know that this is NumPy. I hope you've enjoyed this video so far. Just sit back and relax and follow through. The best way to learn is to follow through as I code. Try to code along with me, and you see it's going to be easy from there. Thank you. See you on the next one.